Well, I am now just 2 days away from going to Disney World, and I'm so excited, of course, just like I said last time. I thought I'd do a quick little video to show how I'm putting together my park bag. I am not an expert. I don't live in Orlando. I'm not one of those cool people like Molly who gets to go there every day. But I try to learn from them. So here's my bag. I picked up this little bag. It is not one of the cool, Loungefly ones, but it's a nice, cute little small Minnie Mouse backpack that seemed park carrying size that I found at Kohl's for half price. I have my mini magic band that I got that I've had probably for 6 months now. I can't wait to start wearing. This is the main thing I wanted to show you that I do every Disney trip. What I do is I buy Disney stickers and I put together these little baggies of Disney stickers so that I can give them to kids, especially kids who might be having a rough time or a hard day. Here's Henry. He wanted to see what I was doing. Because it's fun to receive magic at Disney World, but what I've learned is it's even more fun to give magic, especially to kids. So this is my huge bag of Disney stickers that I will give out to kids who need a little bit of magic in their day. Look at this cool sticker that Disney sent me, because I had my vacation scheduled, and I've been debating, what do I want to do with this Disney sticker? Because it's this fabulous, huge gold sticker, and I realized I need to just take an empty bottle to refill so I can refill it with water. And what a better way than to put my magic Disney sticker on my bottle. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And then it's just a bottle I happen to have at home. And then I'll have sort of a permanent water bottle to remind me of that. I, of course, have my external battery chargers, which is very important, especially since I'll be looking at wait times on my phone and using up wait time, or using up battery life by looking at wait times and all that good stuff. I have sunscreen. I have a little book, which I'm planning to keep notes in so that I can remember what I did every day. And I may even make notes of kind of like how long I waited in some lines, just because I think that's good to keep track of. And then maybe after my trip, I can make a video. Maybe it'll be helpful for people. Of course, Moleskine, because that's critical. Which I will put that, I came across this sort of little freebie first aid kit that I had, and I thought, oh, how perfect. I already have this first aid kit with like some Band-Aids and some little cleaning towelettes, little ibuprofen. So I'll put all this in my little first aid bag, which won't take up much room. And then this, I have to take. My daughter's fiance gave it to me. Isn't it adorable with the little Cinderella birds on it? I love it. So this will be something. I may even keep my little battery chargers in it or something, but that's got to go with me because that's special. Well, I've spent the last 30 minutes to an hour, maybe more, watching videos that some folks have put up about Festival of the Holidays, so I can start thinking about what snacks I'm going to want to grab, because Epcot is my first day. I'm a little nervous about how busy the parks are right now, but of course it's Thanksgiving, so it is busy, and I'm hoping that the week after Thanksgiving won't be quite as bad. But you know what? Even if it's super busy, that's all right. I'll keep myself company and enjoy myself in the lines, and then if I want to spend a little bit of extra money for Genie Plus, I guess I can do that. So getting close, getting excited. My dog is cuddling right next to me on the back of me right now. I'm guessing he probably knows that I'll be leaving. So, of course, then both dogs will be happy because they'll have more of the bed at night to stretch out in with my husband. But I'll take some more videos when I'm there. I won't be an expert vlogger like the others, but part of that is because I really want to enjoy the experience and enjoy the rides. I'm definitely not going to be videoing any rides or anything like that because I just want to experience it. But I'm going to try to make a few videos for my family. I know they're the only ones who see this, but that's fine. It's just fun to do that, to remember what's going on. So 6 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning, my flight leaves, which is crazy, but it'll be exciting. At least I'll be there early. And I'm hoping to explore some of the Christmas decorations around the various resorts the first day I'm there, because it's the first day I'm going. I'm not going to a park. Getting excited.